So, can you install the Castle TV app on iPhone? So, typically on an iPhone, the only way that you can install apps is through the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, okay? And if you search for the Castle TV app in the actual App Store of your Apple device, okay, and then hit search, you can see that it doesn't show up. But however, if you have an Android device, what you can do is go to Google, click on search, and click on Castle TV APK download. Okay, Castle TV APK download. Okay, so this is what you can do. You can download this. Okay, and click on that, and then you can get the Castle APK. But you will need an Android device for this. So if you have another device lying around, you can download the APK for Castle TV and enjoy all these movies. If this helped you out, drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel.